Okay, let's do 1446 consecutive characters in JavaScript. Question is to look through input string and return the longest substring here, longest contiguous substring. So this is the better example. There's 5 E's in a row, so you want to return the length of that. All right. So first thing we want to do is we want to create some storage variables here. So we're going to create one called max length, and we're going to set that to 0, and that's what we're going to end up returning. And we're also going to create a max count, and we're going to set that starting as 1. And then we will create a for loop here. So for let I equals 0, I is less than the input string dot length. Okay, so what we're going to have here is we're going to have if check to see if the current position, if the current item in our input string, let's grab this one and put it up here. If one is same as the next or not, if they're the same letter, then we want to increase this max count that we made. If they're not the same letter, what we're going to do is we're going to set the max length to whatever in max length or the max count. And we'll use math.max to help us determine that. Max count. And then we're going to reset the max count after that. Okay, so we have our if-else logic now. And we need to, let's just copy paste this. We need to include this here at the end in case we exit our for loop and we haven't hit this else. So if they're the same, we increase max count, but if we're at the very end of a string, we're never going to hit this else right here and recalculate max length. So then we need to recalculate max length after we've exited this if-else logic. And after that, we can return max length. Submit it, make sure I don't have any typos. Cool, all right. And we'll leave it here so you can clearly look at the question. And answer.